Welcome back to my channel where you can be uniquely you. It is your girl, Uniquely Jay.
Friends, together we can do anything. Gotta plan the dream, take a chance and believe, make it real.
Today's video is gonna be me revamping this old wig and also installing it. I have a party to go to and we're on a time crunch, my girls and guys and theys. Okay, before we get any further to this video, give this video a huge thumbs up. It'd be greatly appreciated. Comment down below the video ideas that you want me to do. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, my girl, because what are you doing? Like, so you could be lit, okay? And also don't forget to click that bell so you know if I'm your girl upload for you guys, and also so you could be one of my bunny boos. And also follow me on all of my social medias in the description bar down below as well as on the screen. Go ahead, go follow your girl because we're gonna be looking cute tonight. So today is Friday, October 29th, and it's currently 4 p.m. My friend, she got me the flyer and it starts at 7, so we have a little less than 3 hours to do everything. Luckily I already have my outfit planned. I do have to get like a few more things, to buy a few more things, like one more thing, which is thigh-high socks, but I can always run to the store and get them. So first things first, we have to wash the wig. I'm gonna show you guys the wig. I'm not wearing this one, I'm wearing this one tomorrow because we're pulling out 2 looks back to back to back, back to back to back, back to back to back to back. So this is the wig I wore to the Frontal concert. I don't know if I vlogged that trip or not. I highly doubt I did. Yeah, I don't remember. I'm pretty sure I didn't vlog it. But I inserted a picture of me in Frontal and a couple of clips of him performing. So this is the wig I wore, and the lace is it's very hard to work with. So that's why I don't really like this wig, because it's just so hard to work with the lace. No matter how much time I take to lay it, it always bubbles up. So we are going to wash it, cut bangs in it, and then put 2 little pigtails at the top to look like a little schoolgirl, and then we're gonna curl it. So first things first is washing the wig and all that other stuff. And don't forget to subscribe and send this to your friends and everything. Tell them come subscribe to your girl. We are currently at 117 subscribers. So y'all gonna get a montage of me washing it, conditioning it. So enjoy the montage. So it is currently 5:07 and we're about to start doing my hair. I'm gonna take this wig off first because we can't put a wig on. I mean, you can, but like I don't really want to do that way. And luckily it wasn't glued down, it's just the residue from my glue. When it's wetted off, it's still on there, and I had this tied on it, so that's why it looked like it was glued down, but I promise y'all it wasn't. And I'm not ripping lace fronts and closures off my head. So the wig is right here. I blow dried her and I just hot combed all the hair to the back. The ideal is to do a bang, like a fringe bang, and then do probably 2 face buns towards the back, or 2 little pigtails at the top, and then curls. I don't really know which one I'm gonna go with, but I had this wig for a while, so that's why I kind of want to revamp it and stuff like that. So wish me luck. And like I said, since I am going to be taking this wig off probably tomorrow, I'm saying probably because if the hairstyle come out how I want it to come out, then I'm just going to keep that on and just put the next costume hat on top of it. So right now I'm about to like slick my edges that are out back. I gotta find my Chi heat protectant because I don't see it anywhere like whatsoever, and that was $16, so it's either gonna come up, it better come up, or we're gonna have a huge problem. Because last place I had it was in the living room when I did my hair for the last time I went out with my friends. That was the last time I had it. I haven't touched it since because I haven't been using it, but we'll see. So I'm not going to be doing the whole ball cap method because I have no plans to do that. I don't have the time to do that. Well, I do if I really wanted to, but I don't want to. And since it is like glue residue right here, just a little bit, I'm gonna clean it with 70% alcohol. I do not take my wigs off anymore with alcohol because I learned it pulls your hair. So if you are taking your wigs off with alcohol, please stop. The best way I learned is like, depending on what kind of lace glue that you use, either use lace glue remover or like something like that. That's the stuff you probably need to use. All right, so now for the next part, it is going to be me actually laying the wig down. First, I'm gonna go in with my Boho Active. Me personally, maybe because I just sweat a lot and I be in the heat outside, it don't really work that well for me personally. That's just my personal opinion. So yeah, so I use this 3 to 4 layers depending on how long I want it to last, and then after each layer I sprayed with Ebony's Wonder Lace Bond. Y'all, everybody's hyping this up. I've been using it since last year and I've been loving it. I don't remember how I found this, but I found it and I used it and it was very, very good. I used it by itself and it lasted, this one, but it was the smaller bottle of this, and I used it by itself and it worked, y'all. When I tell you I was sweating, but it didn't really budge as much. So let's get into installing this wig, baby. Okay, after contemplating about this whole wig and if I want to wear this one or change it up, I decided I'm gonna wear it, and the ideal is coming to me. Okay, so the only thing is, when it comes to this wig, I have to take precious time. Like when I say precious time, like little sections at a time. So I don't have any clips. I don't know where my Chi heat protectant is. I don't know what nothing. Wish me luck. But anyway, so like I said, I'm gonna do probably like 2 to 3 layers of this, and in between each layer braid this, and then whenever it's all done, braid again and tie it down, and we're gonna start trying to, you know, style it at that point. So I don't know if this is gonna come out right. I'm praying it comes out right. gonna tie it so we can melt. So it looks kind of good, kind of decent, I guess. All right, now I'm about to just tie this in a bun really quick, and I still have to go to the store again, so I'm gonna just pause while my camera and stuff, my battery's charged. So I'm gonna take this spray around the hairline, tie this, let it melt, go to the store, come back and finish revamping the hair because my best friend's coming out here to get dressed. We're just gonna tie this down and let it melt. Hopefully it comes out how I want it to come out. I also forgot to put foundation on it, on like the lace, before I put it on, but I can just put it around the edges. All right, so I'm also gonna run to the store really quick. As you guys can see, I got the wig, whatever, something going with it. Now the thing is, I don't really know if I still want to do the bang or not, because I don't want to mess it up and not be able to fix it, if that makes sense. So what I'm thinking about doing, which I feel like it would be the best option, is to do the bang, just because. But instead of like doing 2 pigtails, I don't know, because as you guys can see, y'all, I have a hole right here in the wig. Why? I don't know. So I have to make sure this part is, these tracks is covered up at the back. Whatever, we're just going to see how it looks curled. To try to hide my tracks, I'm gonna be using my wax stick and foam and a hot comb, because right now and also just to make sure it don't move, I'm gonna make sure I put bobby pin right there.
What did you say? Go on.
I wanna let you know, I'll let you know that I admire what you do. Don't know if I need to reassure you, my life would be purposeless without you. If I want it, when I ask you about it, you inspire me to be better. You challenge me for the better. Sit back and let me pour out my love letter. Let me help you. Take off your shoes, untie your shoestrings, take off your cufflinks. Did you wanna eat food? Let me feed you. Let me run your bath water, whatever you desire. I'll fire. Sing you a song, turn the game on. I'll brush your hair, help you put your do-rag on. Wanna put a rug, wanna manicure. Baby, I'm yours, I wanna cater to you, boy. Let me cater to you. Baby, this is your day. Do anything for my man. Baby, you know me. I got the slippers, your dinner, your dessert, and so much more. Anything you want, let me cater to you. Inspire me from the heart, ain't nothing tear us apart. You're all I want in a man. I put my life in you. I got the slippers, your dinner, your dessert, and so much more. Anything you want, I wanna cater to you. Baby, I'm happy at home, let me hold you in my arms. I just wanna take the stress away from you, making sure that I'm doing my part. Boy, is there something you need to do? If you want it, say the word, I'll try it. I know whatever I'm not fulfilling, another woman is willing. I'm gonna fulfill you, my body and spirit. I promise you, I keep myself up, remain the same shit you fell in love with. I keep it tight, I keep my figure right. I'll keep my hair fixed, rocking the hottest outfit. When you come home, they tip me on my shoulder, I roll over. Baby, I heard you, I'm here to serve you. This love you need, to give it is my joy. All I wanna do is cater to you, boy. I love the way you fulfill your every desire, no wishes.
Alright, so this is how I got it. I'm going to keep it like this because if I keep messing with it, it's gonna probably turn very bad, very quickly. And frame these pieces to my face so it can fit in the bang area, if that makes sense. And I'm gonna do like a little middle part for it too, so it don't look so weird looking. I think I like it. Obviously I gotta like flatten the rest of it. So we're gonna scoot over some just so I can be closer to the plug and I won't have to keep leaning over and stuff. So I'm gonna change the setup and I'll be right back. So this is how it's looking before I use the comb to comb them out a little, well, a lot. For like the schoolgirl look, it has to be like a messy look for some reason. And boom, I like this side already. I'm already skeptical about this side. I was already skeptical about this side before I even like did anything. So this one little piece, I really can't tell you what to do because I don't even know what I'm doing, but I feel like coming out cute. So I'm not gonna put any makeup on for the outro. I can just let you know that now it's not gonna happen because I got a lot to do. All right guys, so this is the hair, the finished look of the hair. I don't have any makeup on it, anything like that, just because I want to finish this video before I do all of that and stuff like that. Yeah, just because I have a lot to do and I still have to get dressed and stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment down below other video ideas that you want me to do. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Click the bell so you can notify when you upload for you guys. And make sure you follow me on all of my social medias in the description bar down below as well as on the screen. And until next time, make sure you guys stay uniquely you, because if you don't be you, who would be you for you? And that's just on per. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.
You'll always be there for each other.